You ready for the explosion special?
Maybe you could give me a minute.
Ah, you big baby.
Jamie, when we're all done making Mythbusters, how would you like us to be remembered?
How about for our promotion of critical thought?
And how do you think we will be remembered?
For blowing crap up.
Yep, that is why in this, our final season, we're devoting an entire episode to an explosion special.
What's on the docket?
Well, we are finally going to tackle an explosive we have never had any experience with before, landmines. Like this. But first, we have a new twist on perhaps Mythbusters' most favorite and famous explosion.
That would be the cement truck.
Yes, it would. And it stars our favorite fictional honorary Mythbuster, Angus MacGyver. Let me set you the scene.
Let's go!
A mail truck has been fitted with a bomb full of dynamite.
Keep it coming!
MacGyver brings a cement truck over to the mail truck and starts filling it with wet concrete. When he gets it above the bomb goes off. The cement seems to prevent the bomb from causing any real damage.
It worked.
I honestly don't know what would actually happen.
Which makes it a perfect myth for us to test.
3,
When it comes to countdowns,
2,
the Mythbusters
1.
have an explosive 14-year history.
Bye-bye!
And to sign off their final season in style, they're putting a MacGyver spin on an old Mythbusters favorite.
Well, there's your problem.
To get things rolling, the team decamped to a much-loved location.
If you're going to blow something up and you need more than just a few pounds of explosives to do it, generally the neighbors don't like it. And that's why we've come to one of our favorite places to blow large things up, Ione, California. That seems about right.
Our plan today is pretty straightforward. We're going to be detonating 2 mail trucks. Why 2 mail trucks? Well, one obviously will be full of wet cement, but their first blast will be empty.
Yes! The Mythbusters Postal Service. The skeletal bird with dynamite in his talons.
Why are we detonating an empty mail truck? Well, that's because we can't know if MacGyver's actions had any effect on the blast unless we have something to compare it to. That's our control.
For set dressing, the cop car that MacGyver hides behind is dropped into place. But the key to this myth is the mail truck's explosive cargo.
By looking at the clip, we've determined that they used about 84 pounds of dynamite. Now, this right here may look a little bit more festive, but this is actually what 84 pounds of dynamite looks like.
To quantify and compare the damage